Have you ever noticed that modern cars have dozens of buttons, switches, and settings that most drivers never touch? One of them could actually make night driving safer, improve your visibility in heavy rain, and even help other drivers see you sooner. Yet millions of people drive for years without ever activating it. The surprising part? This isn't a new invention. It's been quietly built into many vehicles for decades. Mechanics know it, driving instructors know it, but the average driver often doesn't. Most people believe headlights only have two positions, off and on. Some know about high beams. A few know about fog lights. But hidden inside many vehicles is another feature that changes how your headlights behave under different conditions. The strange thing is, manufacturers rarely explain it properly. It's mentioned briefly in the owner's manual. Then it's forgotten. Over time, drivers simply ignore it because nobody tells them why it matters. That small oversight can affect visibility every single night. To understand why this feature exists, we have to go back nearly a century. In the early 1900s, cars had extremely weak headlights. They produced little more than a soft yellow glow. Driving outside cities after sunset was difficult and often dangerous. Road signs were hard to see. Pedestrians appeared at the last second. Drivers constantly struggled with limited vision. By the 1930s, engineers in Europe and North America began experimenting with adjustable beam patterns. Instead of simply making headlights brighter, they focused on directing light more efficiently. The goal wasn't more power, it was smarter lighting. During World War II, military vehicles accelerated this research. Army trucks often traveled at night with minimal lighting to avoid detection. Engineers discovered that changing the angle and spread of the beam could dramatically improve visibility without increasing brightness. That knowledge didn't disappear after the war. It found its way into civilian vehicles. By the 1950s and 1960s, many manufacturers were designing headlights that could better illuminate road edges, curves, and roadside hazards. As highways expanded across America, nighttime driving became more common. Engineers realized that simply pointing headlights straight ahead wasn't always the safest solution. Roads weren't perfectly flat. Cars carried different loads. A heavily loaded trunk could tilt the front of the vehicle upward. That meant the headlights shined into oncoming traffic instead of onto the road. To solve this, several manufacturers introduced adjustable headlight systems. Some required manual adjustment, others gradually became automatic. European manufacturers adopted these systems especially quickly because many mountain roads demanded precise lighting. Japanese automakers later refined the idea even further. Their engineers believed good visibility prevented accidents before they happened. Instead of relying only on brighter bulbs, they focused on intelligent beam control. Modern research supports that philosophy. Organizations like the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IHS, and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, have repeatedly shown that better headlight performance significantly reduces nighttime crashes. The science is simple. You can't react to what you can't see. A few extra meters of visibility can mean the difference between stopping safely and having no time to react. Yet here's the surprising part. Many vehicles already have features designed to improve that visibility. Drivers simply never activate them. Some don't know the feature exists, others mistake it for something else. Some assume it's only for luxury vehicles. None of those assumptions are true. Hidden headlight functions now appear in economy cars, SUVs, pickup trucks, and family sedans from dozens of manufacturers, and they often require nothing more than adjusting one setting correctly. So why don't more people use them? Because dealerships rarely demonstrate them. Driving schools often skip them. And once the owner's manual goes into the glove box, it usually stays there forever. That's exactly why forgotten automotive knowledge matters. Manufacturers spend millions developing safety features, but a feature only protects you if you actually know it exists. If you enjoy discovering hidden car functions that can save money, improve safety, and make driving easier, subscribe to Mechanic Secrets Lab and turn on the notification bell. Every week, we uncover overlooked features, forgotten maintenance tricks, and practical garage knowledge that most drivers never learn. Because sometimes the smartest upgrade isn't buying a newer car. It's finally understanding the one you already own. And once manufacturers started adding even more electronic systems, an even more useful hidden headlight feature quietly appeared. The reason this hidden feature matters comes down to one simple fact. Most accidents don't happen because drivers cannot see anything. They happen because drivers see something too late. A person walking beside the road, an animal crossing unexpectedly, a sharp turn appearing after a dark section of highway, a damaged vehicle parked on the shoulder. Every extra second of visibility gives the driver more time to react. And this is where intelligent headlight systems become important. For decades, engineers focused on one question. How can we help drivers see more without blinding everyone else? Because brighter isn't always better. A powerful beam pointed in the wrong direction can actually create danger. It can reflect off rain, fog, snow, or road signs directly back into the driver's eyes. It can also temporarily blind vehicles coming from the opposite direction. The solution was not simply more light. The solution was controlling where that light goes. This led to technologies like automatic leveling, adaptive headlights, cornering lights, and automatic high beam systems. Many drivers have heard these names, but very few understand what they actually do. Automatic leveling is one of the most overlooked features. When you put heavy luggage in the trunk or load passengers into the back seats, the rear of the car sinks lower. That changes the angle of the vehicle. Without correction, your headlights point higher than normal. The road becomes darker. Other drivers receive the unwanted glare. Automatic leveling sensors detect this change and adjust the headlight position. A tiny movement, a huge difference. Another forgotten feature is the cornering light system. Many modern vehicles can slightly change where light is directed when turning. This means the area beside the road becomes visible earlier. Imagine driving through a dark neighborhood. You turn left. Before your headlights fully face the new direction, the side area remains hidden. A cornering system helps illuminate that blind space. This technology became popular in Europe and Japan because narrow roads, mountain routes, and heavy nighttime driving demanded better visibility. The idea was simple. Don't wait for danger to appear in your headlights. Help the driver see danger before it reaches the vehicle. Now let's talk about one of the most misunderstood features, automatic high beams. Many drivers disable them after trying them once. Why? Because they expect the system to work like a human. But the technology depends on cameras and sensors. It looks for headlights from other vehicles. It detects street lighting. It decides when additional illumination is useful. When properly working, it can provide better visibility on empty roads, while reducing the chance of forgetting to switch back to low beams. But many owners never activate it because they don't even know the button exists. This creates an interesting situation. Car companies spend millions developing safety systems. Engineers test them for thousands of hours. Then the vehicle reaches the owner, and the feature remains unused. Think about your own car. How many buttons have you never pressed? How many settings have you never explored? The average driver uses only a small percentage of the technology already installed in their vehicle. A smartphone user doesn't ignore the camera because they don't understand it. But many people ignore their car's safety technology for years. Why? Because cars don't explain themselves. This is where dealerships and manufacturers could do better. A 5-minute explanation during delivery could teach owners about features that improve safety. But after the paperwork is finished, many drivers are left to discover everything alone. And this creates another problem. People often spend money upgrading vehicles when their current car already has useful technology. They buy brighter bulbs, they install aftermarket lights, they purchase expensive accessories. Sometimes the solution was already sitting inside the dashboard. The hidden feature wasn't missing, it was simply forgotten. Modern headlights are not just bulbs anymore, they are small computer-controlled systems. They measure conditions, they react to movement, they adjust for safety. And understanding them changes the way you drive. But there is one important thing to remember. Not every vehicle has the same system. Some cars have manual controls, some have automatic settings, some have advanced adaptive lighting. Always check your owner's manual before changing settings or installing aftermarket equipment. The goal is not to modify blindly. The goal is to unlock what your vehicle already offers. Because your car may already be smarter than you think. And in the next section, we'll look at exactly how to find this hidden headlight feature, how to activate it properly, and the common mistakes that cause drivers to disable it without realizing its value. So, how do you find this hidden headlight feature? The answer depends on your vehicle, but the process is surprisingly simple. Start by sitting in your parked car with the engine running. Look at the headlight control switch. Many modern vehicles have more than just off, parking lights, and headlights. Look carefully for an auto setting. Millions of drivers see it every day. Very few actually use it. When the switch is left in auto, the car uses light sensors to decide when headlights should turn on or off. Driving into a tunnel, the headlights activate automatically. Leaving a parking garage, they switch on without you touching anything. Driving at sunrise, they switch off when enough daylight returns. It sounds like a small feature, but forgetting to turn your headlights on is one of the most common mistakes drivers make during dawn, dusk, heavy rain, and cloudy weather. Now check your owner's manual. Many vehicles also include settings inside the infotainment screen. Look for options like automatic high beam, follow me home lights, headlight delay, adaptive lighting. These features are often disabled by default or accidentally turned off. The follow me home function is especially useful. After turning off the engine, your headlights remain on for about 30 seconds. This lights your path as you walk toward your house. No flashlight required. Another forgotten feature is automatic high beam assist. Drive onto a dark road, turn on your high beams. If your car supports this system, a small symbol usually appears on the dashboard. The camera watches for approaching vehicles. When another car appears, the high beams automatically switch to low beam. After the road clears, they return to high beam again. No extra button presses. No forgotten high beams blinding other drivers. Some newer vehicles go even further. Adaptive headlights actually turn with the steering wheel. As you enter a curve, the beam follows the road. Instead of lighting the trees ahead, It lights the corner you're about to enter. That extra visibility can reveal cyclists, pedestrians, wildlife, or obstacles several seconds earlier, and those few seconds matter. According to traffic safety studies, most serious nighttime crashes occur because drivers detect hazards too late. Not because they were speeding, not because the brakes failed, simply because they couldn't see far enough ahead. Here's another hidden trick. Many vehicles allow you to adjust the height of your headlights manually. Look for a small wheel beside the steering column. It usually has numbers from 0 to 3. If your trunk is heavily loaded, lower the beam slightly. If you're driving alone, return it to normal. This keeps maximum visibility while reducing glare for oncoming traffic. Unfortunately, many owners never touch this adjustment. Some don't even know it exists. Before spending money on brighter LED bulbs, take 10 minutes to learn every lighting feature already installed in your vehicle. You may discover you don't need an upgrade at all. You simply needed to activate the features you already paid for. A driving instructor in Germany once shared an interesting story. One student complained that his headlights were terrible. He planned to replace the entire lighting system. During the inspection, the instructor noticed the adaptive lighting function had been disabled inside the vehicle settings. After reactivating it, the student couldn't believe the difference. The headlights hadn't changed, the settings had. That's exactly why forgotten automotive knowledge still matters. Technology keeps improving, but technology only helps when people understand how to use it. Engineers spent years developing these systems. Safety organizations tested them. Manufacturers installed them. Yet countless drivers never pressed the button. Remember this: the safest feature in your car isn't always the newest one. Sometimes it's the one you've ignored since the day you bought the vehicle. If you discovered a feature today that you never knew existed, subscribe to Mechanics Secrets Lab. Every week, we uncover hidden buttons, forgotten maintenance tricks, secret vehicle functions, and mechanic knowledge that most owners never learn. Because your car still has secrets. And in the next video, we'll reveal a hidden dashboard function that could save your battery, extend your engine's life, and help prevent one of the most expensive repairs drivers face today.